Yeah, those tires are looking a little anemic. It's been like 5 months. So YouTube, airplane's been down for a really long annual. A lot of changes have been made in that time. Alright YouTube, we've actually made a lot of changes to the airplane, which is kind of why it took so long. Wish I could have put more videos out, but in the last about 5 months, this thing's been undergoing a pretty extensive annual and a lot of changes. My dad's retired these days. He's my ANPIA. Doesn't work super fast. Gotta do what we gotta do. First things first, removed the wheel extenders. So there used to be about a 3-inch bracket here that moved the wheels forward, that also kind of moved the nose down because of the way they were angled. Keen viewers might notice that the tires actually shrunk. We're back down to the original 606s. Those are going on a C90 Champ project, so stay tuned for videos on that one. That big Scott 3200 has been replaced with this much smaller setup. To save a bit of weight in the tail. Added a beacon, make it a little bit safer for night flying. Sent these seats back to the upholsterer, so a little bit could be taken out of the back. It fits down in the seat pan way better. Up the weather.
002 for marked. Density altitude 1,700. Present weather information not available. Wind 010 at 08.
Alright.
Visibility 10. Sky condition clear. Temperature 21 Celsius.
Okay.
2.07 Celsius.
So what I can say is tail wheel brakes in both directions. Seems to be taxiing okay. Oh god, I forgot my sunglasses. That's what happens when you've flown in 5 months. Yeah, tend to forget something. At least it was just sunglasses. Oh wow, tail comes up really easy. I was expecting it to come up a bit easier. Maybe I shouldn't play around too much. I might be a little rusty myself. Well, let's see what she can do. Porter County traffic, Cessna 95999 Delta, departing runway 36, staying in the pattern. Porter County. Let's try a graceful one here. Oh, tail comes up pretty easy. Airspeed's alive. Man, we are off. I'd say that wasn't too bad. We're climbing pretty good. Porter County traffic, Cessna 99 Delta, starting crosswind runway 36. Porter County.
Well, obviously she flies about the same. Hasn't been a whole lot of change in that department. Took the airplane down for a pretty extensive annual, and in the meantime, had quite a few might as well changes. Pulling the gear leg extenders was something we wanted to do for quite a while. But doing that, we had to redo the brake lines. It actually had hard brake lines all the way to the calipers, which is not a great idea. So we got flex lines there. Porter County traffic, Cessna 99 Delta, turning base, runway 36, stop and go, Porter County. Maybe this time we'll try something a little shorter. It's a little gustier up here than I expected. Or maybe I'm just a little out of practice. Porter County traffic, Cessna 99 Delta is final, runway 36, stop and go, Porter County. Boot tail comes up a little bit. Okay, here we go. That was pretty short. I guess I can roll the tape back and find out. Honestly, in this airplane, I think I could do 3 stop and goes in one length of the runway. To think I'm test flying on pavement. Porter County traffic, Cessna 99 Delta is turning crosswind runway 36, Porter County. Let's stay a little closer to the runway this time. Porter County traffic, Cessna 99 Delta is downwind runway 36, stop and go, Porter County. Porter County traffic, Cessna 99 Delta is final, runway 36, stop and go, Porter County. All right, I'd say she's feeling pretty good. A little gusty, a little bumpy. I haven't died yet. Stay tuned. Oh, bounce a little. There we go. Let's start here at the stripes. All right, there we go. Oh, we're rolling tail up. That seemed pretty short. I have to play it back, but I think we only rolled a couple. Planned it quite a bit better that time. All right, we'll try one more and I'll give my verdict. So far, I'm liking this. If for no other reason, the tail comes up a little easier. Granted, that kind of a double-edged sword, I suppose it's possible to put it on his back. I think it definitely cut the takeoff roll. Part of that could just be the weight. I mean, really, that Scott 3200 kind of big enough for a DC-3. Porter County traffic, Cessna 99 Delta is downwind to 36, stop and go, Porter County. All right, feeling pretty good. Picking up speed, all right. I suppose that makes the airplane a little less draggy. Yeah, there's 105 indicated.
Porter County traffic.
One time.
Delivery speed across the threshold on 36, Porter County.
All in all, I'd say it's an upgrade based on this hard pavement. I don't know how it'd fare in the sandbar. If you like what I'm doing here, please hit that like button. Subscribe if you would. Hit that bell icon to get notifications. Porter County traffic, Cessna 99 Delta is turning base, runway 36. Tell you what, feels good to be back in the air. Porter County traffic, Cessna 99 Delta is final, runway 36. We'll stop, Porter County. All right, let's see if we can have a little better landing time. Definitely behind the power curve. Definitely a little noisier taxiing. Truth is, I would have liked to have kept the bigger tires.
Yeah, those tires are looking a little anemic. But if she doesn't look as menacing, well, actually handles quite a bit better. A little tighter on the ground. Takeoff distance seemed quite a bit shorter, even though it's kind of real nice out right now. about 8 knots on the nose, but that was still pretty short for a 140. Tail comes up a lot easier, partly because the fulcrum point wheels moved back, and partly because tail's a heck of a lot lighter. I'll give you some B-roll of the wheel that was on there. Honestly, I'm so happy to be back flying. Hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Thanks for watching. See you next time.